Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to share a video link on the Instagram app when using it on your PC. With the latest update, Instagram has made it much easier to share videos directly, and I'll guide you step by step so you can do it quickly without any confusion. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and that you're on the home screen. From here, you'll want to find the video you want to share. This could be on your main feed, on someone's profile, or even from the Explore page. Take a moment to scroll and choose the exact video you want. Once you've found that video, look carefully at the top right corner of the post. You'll see 3 small dots which represent the menu options. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will appear with several choices, but the one we're interested in says Share To. Go ahead and click it. After selecting Share To, Instagram will give you a few different ways to share. Depending on your settings, you might see options like copying the link, sharing directly to other apps on your PC, or sending it inside Instagram to a friend through direct messages. Pick the method that best suits what you want to do. For example, if you simply want the link to paste somewhere else, choose Copy Link. If you want to share directly within Instagram, select a contact and send it right from there. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you've successfully shared a video link using the Instagram app on your PC. The new update has made the whole process clean and simple, so now you can easily send your favorite Instagram videos to friends, family, or even save them to share later. If this guide was helpful, go ahead and try it out on your own account. Sharing videos is a great way to stay connected and keep your favorite content moving no matter where you're using Instagram.